Hey everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're checking out the best portals or the best tools to find the best jobs for you. You could be a graphic designer, a product designer, a UI designer, or any sort of designer. This amazing list will really help you out. So the first website is one of the most underrated websites in the world for job searching. Now, Behance has a very good system of finding jobs. To search for something really quick, you just type in UX designer. In my case, I will search for UX designer. This searches for UX designer in various countries for different roles. Also, you can filter by what kind of job you're looking for, full-time, freelance, or internship as well. Hundreds of full-time jobs will be placed here every single month. Applying is super easy. You just click on the card here and say apply on Behance. And what it does is it basically picks up your UX and UI design portfolio from Behance and it allows you to just submit an application. That's it. It's as simple as that. The next tool is very epic. And yes, pun intended. epicjobs.co provides jobs for various design roles. It's almost like a social network, but for recruiters and job seekers. And oftentimes you will find a lot of people who are seeking jobs, you will find their resumes on the right. So if you're somebody who's looking to hire, this is a really creative way to show that. The best part is that you can filter all these results very easily. You can say, I want a remote job. So it will only show you remote opportunities. A neat little feature is called Quick View. What it allows you to do is just shorten everything up and it just shows you a list, a very simple short list where you can see everything in one go. All the requirements are very simple and straightforward and they don't require you to have a lot of experience or a lot of tools to be used. Now the title of the next website is so simple but so unique. Designanddesign.com. That's it. They only have design jobs. You can always go to this little panel on the left and you can select what kind of role you're looking for. Web designer, UX designer, graphic designer, whatever you like. And they also host this unique opportunity called Design of the Week, where you can get featured on their main website here if you just submit your design for free. You can even have a wish list, which is I think very unique for a website like this. I'll click on this and it saves it onto my browser as a wish list. Now this is one of the most creative websites that I've come across, which is called Design Jobs Board. And they actually have a lot of opportunities listed on their website. If I click on any one of these, it will expand all the information. So I can see what skills I need, what role is required, and also I can share it to a friend or apply by email so that they directly get your resume or your portfolio in their emails. You can always go ahead and filter what kind of job you want, like all the other websites. Level of jobs, so junior, mid-weight, senior, director. Wait, mid-weight? I don't know where they got that term from. Now, how can I make a list about jobs and not include amazing design people list? Now, as the name suggests, it's a simple list of people who are designers from all over the world. The best part is that this is a very recruiter-centric website. Recruiters can come to this website, check out your portfolios and resumes, and actually recruit you directly from this website itself. Apart from that, they also provide mentorship. So if you're looking to, talk to mentors or talk to designers from all over the world, you can always select whichever profile that you like and you can ask them to mentor you. Just schedule a time with them and they'll actually talk to you face to face and actually get you good insights about your portfolios. Boooom.co actually has one of the best lists for design management or senior roles. So if you're a senior designer and you're looking for maybe a design director role or a UX director role, you can always look at all these senior positions. If you are a senior designer, this is one of the best places exclusively meant for you. Now this is another website which is quite straightforward again. It's called Coroflot. Now this looks more like your traditional websites where you find jobs. A lot of people ask me this question: what is a good design salary? How much people earn in this job? Well, they have this very cool guide. Apart from UX and UI design, they also have for other kind of jobs as well. 3D modeler, art director, fashion designer. You can even check out international cities, countries, and how different countries perform. So that was it for today. I post every Monday and Thursday. If you like this video, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. That really supports the channel grow. I'll see you Monday, same place, same time. God bless.